Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to see how we can build lists of B2B leads for your company, whether you're running a SaaS or an agency and you want to start doing some outreach. So I'm going to show you how to make it cost effective, how to make it fast, and using the latest tools that we have today. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Annrai. I'm the founder of ReachUP, and basically I've been building lists for a long time now. That being said, I'll see you on the other side. So let's get into it. So basically what we want to do, one of a great way to build a list today is already start from one similar company. So let's say you've been working with one company with whom you've got some great results. You actually want to create a list of companies that are similar to this company. There are two ways to go, I find at the moment. One way is by using the tool called Clay. So just head over to clay.com. You arrive here, create a new table. By the way, this is a free trial and you can do the same. What I'm showing you for the moment is totally free. So find companies from LinkedIn, and basically, like I said, so you want to do start from a LookAlik. Let's take the example of online banks. So Revolut.com, and you can put a few to make sure I think it's using AI basically to find similar companies to make sure the AI is very targeted. We can put Inventis, which is another online bank, preview company, and now basically it's going to find a list of similar companies. So if we go check all of these, so it's just taking me lots of other similar companies. I'm not a boss at financial industry, so I wouldn't be able to tell, but I know based on the research I've done, it works pretty well. So if we just check a few, so yeah, digital banking, so basically these are all old banks, and what you can make sure if you want to make it even more targeted, you can only make sure you're selecting some type of industry, or let's say I know these two banks are pretty big and I want to target really big banks. Well, basically I can go preview company, and it's making it even more sharp basically as we go. So now you got this list of companies. What you can do is import all of these companies to a new tab. This is still free at the moment. And so all of this is being imported in a new Clay table. And what we can do is now we can find the people inside these companies. So you just simply press the find people. And basically you want to go by job title. So for the example, I'm just going to take decision makers. So owner, partner, C-suite, VP, not manager, director, head. Go like this. Obviously you can use the job titles more precisely. I'm just showing you the example in the big lines. And now so it's going to create a list of people inside these company names. So we've got all these people, job title, CEO. Basically it matches what we've seen, and you can just check them out to make sure they're relevant. Boom, like this. CEO and board members. So yeah, decision makers. So basically now these are we know okay, these are people who match my ICP. These are people I want to reach out to my email campaigns. And so now we need to find their email address. So you can either use the Clay enrichment, and you can press work email, and basically it's gonna do a waterfall enrichment, and using the best tools at the moment. These are good. I don't know this one either, but it's using basically different tools. It's trying this tool. If it doesn't find the email, it's trying this one. You got the logic. But what I find is this is pretty expensive, especially if you're early stage SaaS and you don't have 1,000 to spare for your outreach. What you can do is simply export this to a CSV, and simply open a Google Sheet, and we're going to use another tool which is really good, but only to find the emails, to make sure we're keeping a tech stack that is as cost effective as possible. So here, this was it, and basically we're going to put it a CSV format, and we're going to use a tool called Drop Contact to find the emails. And what Drop Contact asks is basically one first name, one name, and a website. And this is giving me exactly what I need. So we simply format it for Drop Contact. So first name, last name, and company domain. This is exactly what we need. And if I delete this. So now I've got this, I can simply go File, download and CSV and import it to Drop Contact. And basically Drop Contact is going to give me, I'm not going to do it because it's going to use my credit. I'm just going to see if I have all the file using Drop Contact. Drop Contact is going to give me the same file, but enriched with like lots of information, including the email address. Yeah, so basically it's going to be similar to this. It's going to give you everything with the email address enriched. And then if you want to go like one step even further, so it's going to give you like the status of the email, like whether it's valid, invalid or not. Simply want to go like this and just filter only valid emails to send to not ruin your reputation. So this is one way to do it. So like you see, it lasted about 5 minutes. The time you put this in and it comes back, it usually like takes like 10-20 minutes. You can also use another tool to do the LookAlik, because I think it's a really powerful way to go. So Ocean.io, I know this one is a bit more expensive, but I'm going to show you like how you can do it for cheap. So let's use the same example as we did before, Revolut.com. And basically, so it's finding me similar companies than Revolut. So if you just check them out, the website, online bank, basically it looks pretty similar. Because usually when you're building a list of leads, what you're supposed to do is, if I just show you like the proper sales nav, you're supposed to mess with all different filters, which is good. But I mean, if you want to just make it like easy, you can use this. And I found like it doesn't sacrifice any accuracy. Even sometimes it's better. Sometimes it's hard. Like some companies will not find exactly into like filters. So just by using another company as like an example, a LookAlik, it's pretty powerful. So here, if you were to export all of this, it would cost you, I think it's a pretty expensive plan. But what you can do is use like instant scraper, and it's finding me all of the company similar. So I'm just going to copy this. I can go into a Google Sheet. Put them there, their company name. Go like this. And now what we're going to do is a bit like before. Banking, YouTube. Is simply like find some name of people inside this company. So I've got the CSV. We can head over back to Clay. Table. And then what we can do is import company from CSV. Then you simply put this in here. And what we can do is find people. So Clay, what did I call this? Banking YouTube, company name. Let's see if this work. Owner. And so now basically we're going to do the same thing. Simply find people inside of this company using the domain that Ocean.io provided us. So here we have it. Let's check some people out. Add in a studio. We can just simply look, see how it looks like. Company name, company domain. So yeah, it's pulling the company domain from before and basically finding people inside of this. And now from here, like it's the same thing we've seen before. You export the list, you go in Google Sheet, and then you go Drop Contact. So basically by using this method, you're only paying for Drop Contact, which is pretty cheap. Well, I found compared to other plan. 8K for 75 euro a month. So pretty cheap stuff. So that's it for this video, scraping a list using AI basically. If you want me to do the same with other tools, please let me know. So if you want us to take all of this for you, you can simply book a meeting with me using the first link in the description. Otherwise, I'll just see you in the next video.